Hi, my name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crack the administrator password. So let's assume you own a computer or a laptop and you try to log in with a password and you think, oh, I forgot my password. But you really don't know how to log in on this computer and you don't want to reinstall your computer anymore. And you then created a kind of a reset password disk when you created a password. So how do you do that? So let's say this is a Windows 10 laptop, so I try to log in with my password and it says no, your password is incorrect. I tried a different password but it's still saying it's incorrect. So what we are going to actually do is this. I'm going to take you to a website. It's called the Prognostic.net. So on this website you're going to download this CD 1402001 zip file actually, which you just save it to somewhere you think where you can find it later. It's a bootable file of about 18 megabytes. So what you're going to do is this: you download the file, and I think I just burn it to a CD using an ISO. It's an ISO file. So now let's go back to my Windows 10 environment, and what I'm going to do is this: I'm going to try to allow this ISO file to start with my computer. So I'm going to go to my settings. I'm using a virtual machine actually, so not a real computer, and I'm going to my CD drive using the ISO. I'm going to browse to where the ISO file is of that recovery password. So, and I say it's going to connect at power on. So let's see. So now I'm going to restart my computer, and when it's restart, we're going to try to see if the CD is the first bootable option. So when you've restarted your laptop and you press F2, which will take you to the boot setup, to the BIOS setup, and there you have the boot options. You can see my hard drive is the first option which I have. I'm going to make the CD-ROM the first option, and there you just to save it, press F10. So it asks you save configuration changes and exit now, and you click yes. So it's going to boot actually from the CD. As you can see, it's an ISO file, but it's also it's a Linux. As you can see, it looks like a Linux laptop at this moment. So just tap enter. So it's trying to boot all the options. So it's trying to tell me that, well, I just discovered one hard disk drive, which is the one you're going to select. It's already selected number one, as you can see. Just tap enter. So what is it trying to say? You say, okay, let me see. Tap enter once more. So it's a password reset. Yes, that is what I want to do. Tap enter. So it's asking me, do you want to edit users data and password or the registry editor? I say I want to edit the first one. Is already selected. So what do you want to do? Is it the administrator password you want to change? I'll say yes. So it's trying to ask, do you want to clear the password for the administrator, or do you want to edit the password or promote a specified user to an administrator, which if you have a user which is not a member of the administrator, you can also use this program to promote it. If, for example, you have a different user than the administrator that you use, and you forgot the administrator password, so you can promote that user to an administrator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear the password. Just enter, type 1, and you enter. So it said the password for the administrator has been cleared. So now I'm going to select that and just to quit. So it's going to ask me if I want to save it. I say click enter. So what to do? You say quit. Now I'm going to quit it. Then you will be asked if there's something to save. Tap enter. So it say about to write files back to do it. Just tap Y, and that is for yes. And says okay. The edit complete successfully. So now what we are going to do is this: we are going to restart the laptop. or the PC. So make sure when restarting the PC that the CD-ROM is not the first option. If not, you're going to get the same screen just like you get before. So we're going to make the hard disk our first option. So as you can see, I've restarted my PC, and now I have chosen the hard drive to be the first option. So I'm going to save this by pressing F10 and click yes. So as you can see, I think something went wrong. I'm going to restart it again for the second time, and now it's going to load the Windows 10 operating system. So when the Windows 10 operating system load, then I will come back again. So okay, as you can see, I've loaded the PC has been restarted, and now we are back to the login as administrator. So now I've cleared the password, so I'm not going to put any password, just tap enter, and you can see it's telling me welcome, and the PC does not need any password. So let's see what is going to happen, because if it's not going to work, I would have already gotten an error. As you can see, now I can log in without a password. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please, if you like my video, you can just place some comment. If you have any question, just place a comment, or you can subscribe to my video.